This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Beautifully remodeled farmhouse-style 3-bedroom, 2 full-bath home in awesome neighborhood of Westhaven, almost new construction. This home offers large open floor plan, beautifully appointed kitchen with quartz countertops, 42 inches white shaker door cabinets with plenty of storage, seated island, wine rack and LVP waterproof floors, and large dining room, perfect for entertaining. New grand primary suite with 2 closets and nice-sized primary bath. Make your way into other side of the house for 2 more bedrooms and nice-sized black and white shared hall bathroom with shiplap. Outside, large detached 1.5 car garage/workshop, large partially fenced backyard, plenty of room for entertaining.